Let's warm up the feet and ankles now. So we're really gonna push into the floor with your feet. So I'm pressing into the floor. 1, 2, doing the same with the demi-plie, 3, 4, again, knees over the toes all the time. And then you're gonna peel through that foot. So I'm really thinking of pressure and resistance in that leg, and I'm peeling through on the way down. So you're really working the metatarsals there. So you've got 2 of those. 2 tendus, 1 and 2. Already I'm lifting in that supporting hip, so I'm finding space. And then you're gonna lengthen, and I'm bringing the accent on the in, yeah? So it's just coming to your ankle, connect the arms to the legs, so I'm going second, first, so they're connected. Good, squeeze to lower. So I've got 1, 2 with the plie, 3, 4, 2 peels working through the feet. I've got 2 tendus, pulling up that supporting hip, working to the ends of the toes, and in. I'd really like the accent on the in, so we've got a nice sharp dynamic there. To squeeze to first, we're going to do the same thing, going front, front, side, side, back, back. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 peels, 2 peels, you're coming to the front, 1 and 2, and in. So I'm really thinking of opening that inside thigh up on that hip. Same to the front on this side, we're going to the side, same thing, and then when we go to the back, I'm finding a nice long diagonal with the arms. Yeah, open out that chest, shoulders down. So we tendu to the back, and then I'm thinking of really rotating that hip so that when we come to balancing, we're already there because we've found all of that space. You go to the back, yeah? So we start in parallel, front, turned out, front, side, back. So really finding your parallel, again, directly underneath the hips, space in the hips. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, push. 2 tendus, 1, 2, and in. Good, 1, 2, keep your chest nice and soft. Length out of the fingertips, turning out, and 1, 2, really push into the floor, to the front, front. Good, 1. Work through the metatarsals there, 1, 2, and in, and 1. Good, keep breathing, try not to hold your breath. Good, 2, keep that turn out, lifting, 1, and in, to the back. Arms come into a diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Good, let's just take a rise all the way up. Arms are coming to fifth. Long spine. Good, lengthen through the fingertips. Energy out of the fingertips. Connect the back. And squeeze to lower. Good, shake out. So really finding your parallel, again, directly underneath the hips, space in the hips. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, push. 2 tendus, 1, 2, and in. Good, 1, 2, keep your chest nice and soft. Length out of the fingertips, turning out, and 1, 2, really push into the floor, to the front, front. Good, 1. Work through the metatarsals there, 1, 2, and in, and 1. Good, keep breathing, try not to hold your breath. up. Arms are coming to fifth. Long spine. Good. Lengthen through the fingertips. Energy out the fingertips. Connect the back. And squeeze to lower. Good. Shake out.